subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. The Gocomma W5 retails for a mere US $63.99, and yet it features LTE and GPS connectivity. The W5 has a 1.54-inch display and runs Android 9 Pie natively. The Gocomma W5, like the Lemfo S21, offers LTE and GPS connectivity, along with a full Android experience. Gocomma has preloaded the W5 with Android 9 Pie, which is operable via a physical button or the smartwatch's 1.54-inch touchscreen. Additionally, the W5 has a MediaTek MT6739 SoC that includes 4 ARM Cortex-A53 cores and an ARM Mali T820 GPU. Gocomma has included 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of flash storage and a micro SD card reader should you wish to add up to 32 GB of removable storage. The 320 by 320 pixel display may prove a stumbling block for some apps, while the device's 2MP cameras will probably not take great looking photos. Nonetheless, the W5 has a 1080 mAh battery that should last up to 2 days between charges. We suspect that using the built-in LTE modem will drain the device's battery rather quickly, though. Naturally, the smartwatch supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, also. The Gocomma W5 is available to purchase from Gearbest for US $63.99. The smartwatch is available in 4 colors. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, and like and share the video. Thank you.